it is within the 45 days processing period, Madam Chair. So, ano pa naman po siya?
Bakit 45 days? Sino nag-institutionalize ng 45 days? Ang sinasabi natin, kawawa sila. These are off-grid areas.
Okay.
Yung madali ang po ninyong solusyon para sa kanila, makakabuti. Sabi ng ERC, 2 sulat nang na-receive nyo, bayaran nyo na sila. You insist on 45 days. Where did you get that?
Actually, that is the standard, Madam Chair.
Where did you get the standard? It's only a standard. You can pay as early as you can.
We will do that, Madam Chair.
Sinabi na nga ng presidente ninyo eh.
Yes po.
And he indicated that he will pay on time. Kasi nga nagdudugo na yung mga tao eh. Saan nila kukunin ang panggastos nila kung hindi sila babayaran? Chair, I remember during the last hearing, I think the case of Ormeco in Mindoro, is that Ormeco or there's another one? Ormeco, NPC has an obligation of about 144 million to be paid to dun sa power producer. And I remember at that time, the President, Jericho Nograles, made a commitment that's already under process. And we were talking about how many days will it be processed. Parang biniro ko pa siya 1 week, 3 days. And he smiled, suggesting that he might just be paying on time. I checked with the power producer. Wala pa eh. And the indication is you will be paying in installment. Alam mo, nagdudugo na rin sila eh. You know, the reason why nangyayari ito is that NPC is failed to pay. Kasi, alam nyo, hindi naman mahaba ang PC ng mga power producers eh. If you do not pay on time, like this is already 144 million, I can imagine, titipirin nila talaga yung kanilang production. So, minsan, magba-brownout siguro. So paano yun? Commitment after commitment. So why can't you pay? Meron namang yung universal charge na people keep on paying that para matulungan natin ng off-grid areas. Like kanina nga, sabi ng ating chairperson, she noted 10 electric cooperatives na isipin mo 14 pesos to 17 pesos per kilowatt hour. This is too high. Ang problema, hindi natin nagagampanan ang mga ibang duties natin. Kamukha nito, ang palagay ko, Madam Chair, ang ginagamit na panggatong dun is oil, diesel. So, mahal talaga to. So, the power producer keeps on paying. So, wala naman siyang nakukuhang bayad mula sa NPC. So, paano mangyayari rito? And the situation worsens every day. The question of the chair is, ba't ganito na lang ba tayo?
Okay, may I reply to that, Madam Chair? Okay, this is the situation on Power One, Madam Chair. I would like to update Senator Marcoleta that out of something like 14 vouchers, 11 were already approved. Because myself is the one who is approving it. And it was already fully audited. And now it is now, I think the check now is being prepared.
Madam Chair, I'm not talking about the vouchers. I'm not talking about the approval of the vouchers. We're talking here that ERC already approved the payment to that power producer. ERC is here and probably she can confirm.
Yes po.
Sinulatan na kayo, bayaran nyo na.
Yes po.
Matagal na ito eh. Yeah. So if you talk about vouchers and approving the vouchers, that's not the information we want to hear.
Okay, sir. Okay po, Madam Chair. Actually, it is within the 45 days processing period, Madam Chair. So, ano pa naman po siya?
Bakit 45 days? Sino nag-institutionalize ng 45 days? Ang sinasabi natin, kawawa sila. These are off-grid areas.
Okay.
Yung madali ang po ninyong solusyon para sa kanila, makakabuti. Sabi ng ERC, 2 sulat nang na-receive nyo, bayaran nyo na sila. You insist on 45 days. Where did you get that?
Actually, that is the standard, Madam Chair.
Where did you get the standard? It's only a standard. You can pay as early as you can.
We will do that, Madam Chair.
Sinabi na nga ng presidente ninyo eh.
Yes po.
And he indicated that he will pay on time. Kasi nga nagdudugo na yung mga tao eh. Saan nila kukunin ang panggastos nila kung hindi nyo sila babayaran? Unless, Pag-usapan nyo ng NGCP kung paano maglalagay ng transmission line, which is, again, the hardest part. So hanggang may magagawa tayo, Attorney Tebes,
Yes po.
huwag mo na sabihin yung mga voucher, magbayad ka na agad.
Sige po. We recognize that, Madam Chair. Actually, kausap po namin sila kahapon. Okay na po.
Ano nga pinag-usapan nyo kahapon?
Yung ano po mismo, yung paglabas po ng vouchers ay ng check po,
Yeah.
babayaran
Madam Chair,
po sila.
voucher na naman.
Hindi po, babayaran po sila, Madam Chair.
I have a question. Naka-time deposit ba yung pera nyo? Pinautang nyo ba sa ibang tao? Why would you even need 45 days? And how come upon the, I don't know if I'll use the word prodding or the pressure, or not even pressure, just by Senator Marcoleta simply asking you biglang, oh sige, babayaran na. O kaya palang bayaran.
Ganito po, Madam Chair, no? There is a verification process again, no? So,
Verification process.
yes, doon po sa ano po kasi, ang proseso po kasi, doon muna sa field yun. No? Halimbawa po, kung nasa
Doon muna sa
field, i-verify
Sa
muna.
field.
Ayun po. Meron pong proseso po yun, no? Na yung metering po nila, i-check po yun ng mga operators po natin doon, yung mga field personnel. So, there is a time for it, mga 5 days para mag-confirm po sila, no? Para ma-ano po nila. Then, dadalhin po sa head office, 7 days, something like that. So, meron naman pong ano po yan. But we see to it na yung pinag-agrihan na period to pay or to period to process ay naaabot naman po yan. In fact, kahapon, no, tuwan-tuwa nga po yung taga-power, no, because we have this forum, no? And they learned that it is already processed and approved. So, it's only a matter of time, no? Baka nga ngayon na i-release na yung check.
saying is, never kayo na-delay. Never kayo lumagpas ng 45 days na yun.
Nagkaroon lang po kami ng ganyan, Madam Chair, noong 2022. Noong nagkaroon po ng crisis yung, if you will remember, nung nag-shoot up po yung diesel. That's the time na nakiusap po kami sa kanila.
So you're saying now, all your
No,
payments
yes,
are
we are-
within
we are
45 days.
Current po.
So it's an exaggeration to say na nahihirapan yung mga power companies. Ganun ba? They are exaggerating kasi dapat tanggapin nila yung 45. Ganun ba yun? I'm genuinely curious if
Actually,
that's what you're saying.
Actually po, the issue with Power One po kasi, Madam Chair, hinintay pa po natin kasi yung ERC decision. Kasi nagkaroon ho nga walang medyo hindi pagkakaunawaan dyan whether to pay or not. So, we have to clarify with the ERC.
Oh, so anyway, sinabi ng to pay.
Yeah.
Pero
presently
lahat nung sinabi
po.
mo sa akin na verification, nagawa nyo naman siguro before pa yon, di ba?
Yes, Madam.
O, di hindi na kailangan mag-antay ng another 45 kasi nagawa nyo na.
Kaya,
Pero
expedite.
dinahilan mo pa rin.
Hindi naman po, Madam
Di ba?
Chair.
Hindi,
Kasi
dinahilan mo eh. And
yung
you know what?
papel-
I'm also trying to learn. So help me learn by
Yes,
giving me
ma'am.
clear facts. You can tell
Okay.
me na we have up to 45 days but we try to implement this within the 7, the 5 days to verify, the 7 we try to implement it within the 12 days. Yun lang naman yung gusto namin marinig. But parang pinaninindigan mo yung may 45 days kayo, kaya ini-insist ni Senator Marcoleta na sinabihan na kayo na magbayad. O tapos sabi mo ngayon pwede, kasi kaya pwede, dahil malamang yung sinasabi mong time that you need to do those things, nagawa na kasi yun.
Actually, ma'am, nag-submit lang po kasi sila recently din. Kaya ganun po.
Nag-submit sino?
Yung ng claim, no? Yung Power One.
Okay.
So, ganun po
Anyway,
yun.
I put on record na when you come here and tell us your problems, also give them the solutions, ha? Kasi
Sige po,
we're
Madam.
legislators. The amount of time that I put in doesn't compare to the amount of time, 8 hours a day at the minimum, you're working on this. So I don't claim to be better than you, but I claim to have a good ear and I can digest information. So give me information in a way that I can understand and give me the solutions that you see. And feel free to contradict each other because that's the only way I'll understand the problems better.
Yeah, noted, Madam Chair.
Okay? So let us know pag nabayaran na.
We will, Madam Chair.
Kailan?
Kahit bukas kung I will check with our finance. Kasi finance na po yun.
Oh, sige, bukas is Friday. Di siguro naman Monday. Kaya lang may bagyo. So pagbalik mo sabi mo, man bagyo eh. Tapos 5 days yung bagyo, tapos 5 days kami nag-clean up, tapos hindi nakapasok yung accounting. Diyos ko. Sige, update nyo kami next week, please.
Yeah, we will
Okay.
do that with
Thank you.